yeah, wait. Alright, go. 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 Come on. Alright, chat. Find the C. Hi, let's go, Jamie. Oh my god, stop! Okay, stop. I'ma stay with you, alright? I'ma stay with you, stop. Nice, we sit next to each other, Wadone. Yes. So tell me something. Tell me something's happened. I give her. No, don't give her YPN. No, oh my god, YPN, give her. Can I find your seat, guys? I can't go left. I cannot drive. No, Abhinesh, no. We running on that road. We running on that hay. We running down the building. Thank you for your cooperation. Chat, look at the penguin, chat. Penguin's right there, chat. Oh my god, the white. I'm not feeling very well, guys. I think something's wrong. What is this sandwich? No. Yeah! Jessica did it. Let's go, chat. Jessica saved my life. You saved me. Don't, you alright? I'm good. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm fine right now. Let's go. I'm gonna play something else because I give it. If I try and to get left, no way. Good night, passengers. Remember to start your laps. You will have a few hours to go. Start. Follow me, guys. Follow me. Alright, start. Yeah. I will take to the door. Okay. Chat. Follow the start. Alright, chat. You follow your lead, star. I'ma follow your lead, bro. I'ma follow your lead. Alright. Let's go. Car snake. Okay. But don't. We got bad news. No. Okay. Let's go. Everybody in the chat. Let's go. Oh my god. Wait. Chat. Someone is calling me right now. Hello?
Yes, hello? This is DoorDash speaking right now.
Yes. Hello.
We've come to your order of 52 hamburgers.
Delivery right?
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, that's alright. Like, put it in there, like here. That's alright. I'm gonna go get it later. Alright. Okay, chat. Get on the seat, chat. Get on the seat. Everybody in the chat. Get on the seat. Hi again. Let's go, honey. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm coming, star. Yay! Everybody in the chat, get it. Everybody should get it. Woo! Get it! Yay! At the end, we made it, right? Yay! Damn. W fire, chat. W fire. Wait, I'm gonna take a piss right now. I'm gonna use that here, okay? But don't use that main. Okay, sharks are gone. Okay. Auto S are main character. Yes. Auto S. And power is back on. What is he doing? I'm very tired. What is the fight doing? Bad news. The bad news is that we are losing. We're losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oh no! Wait, oxygen. Oh my god! Get the oxygen. Get the oxygen, guys. Get the oxygen. Get the OHYG. Get the oxygen, please. No. No, everyone is dying, chat. Although, what's my free Wi-Fi? Some people had to die. Was that enough max? No way. Damn. No, Achana, no. Okay, so wait, what is next? What is next, chat? Damn. Oh my god, what is it? I don't know. What happened? It looks like a bone. Oh no, it's me! It's me! No, why are they killing me, chat? Start, find the fuse. He has a bone. Please, guys, please. If you find something, no way. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die again, chat. No, what? Chat, why is this? I found a pair of 6 star. Okay, Mayday, I'm coming. Mayday, I'm here, Mayday. Behind you. Keep it back. Sure, I can. Chat, I'm scared, bro. Save me, Mayday, please save me, chat. Oh my god. I don't wanna die. Oh! Yo! Mayday, save me! Oh my god, thank you so much, Mayday. Thank you so much, Mayday, chat. Thank you so much, Mayday, chat. Thank you so much, Mayday. Oh my god. No, chat. It's not good, chat. We need to alert the captain. Quickly get to the captain room. Go. It's locked. Oh my god, chat, what is the fire? What is going on? Something is happening inside. The captain might be in trouble. No. This one needs a code. Right. I can see through door. Oh my god. Oh no way! The monster! It's the creature. Yeah, it's the creature. Can I join? Yeah, everyone can join the game. Alright, let's go. Go away, man. Just go away. You will pay for what you have done. I didn't do anything, man. I didn't do anything. You think you're here on accident, but you're not. Oh, hey, now, chat. I brought you here, all of you. Oh, hey, now, chat. Let's go. Follow the fire, okay? Follow fire, alright. Ran, he's gonna chase us. Ran! I'm scared. I will beat him. Let's go, Mayday. Ran. Oh no way. He gonna chase us. Ran. Oh my god, why do they keep calling me? See you in the afterlife. Control ran, okay. It's an airplane story. AIRPLANE STORY. Airplane story number 1. It is airplane story 1. He didn't chase us. Wait, someone just stick right here, right? Wait, we need to stick right here. We need to find the autopilot C button. Let's go, let's go. I'm in. Okay, you in. Click everything and find that button. Let's go, chat. Everybody in the chat, please click everything. Please click everything. Click. Oh my god, we found the button. Yay, let's go. Can you add me? Of course, I can add you. But I'm the good driver. Trust. Let's go. Okay, bing bing. Down. Chat, we are in a space. I ain't gonna chat. Down. It's not an airplane. Chat is a spaceship. Okay, pilot. The plane looks kinda weird. Yes, brother. Look, penguin. Can you join me at a Gorilla Garden? No, I cannot right now. Alright, I'm sorry, I cannot. I'm in this game right now. I'm playing with my people. Hello, we need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we'll get home. We'll get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we trace your location and we are taking control. Sound like a wobo. There is one last text. What? There is one last text I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Oh, Hannah. Okay, so let's see who's the co-captain channel. Who's it? Yo, it's fire! Let's go, fire! Let's go! I can save the plane. Let's go, save the plane. Oh, Hannah, start! No, the monster! The monster! Star behind you, Star. Don't listen to him. Please listen to us. All right. Don't listen to it. It's a bad creature. Behind. Come on, fight. Come. Attack. It is Daddy. Let's go, chat. He's a ghost, bro. Come on. Save us. Please save us. Star. Don't listen to him, please. I'm kidding. I'm crashing it. I'm kidding. I saved you, guy. Let's go. All this time you trust. Star. And he was always on my side. No way. No, Star. No, take us home. Star. Yes, master. What? Is that a monster? No! What are you doing? Oh my god. Yeah, child, we made it!